This tiny laser beam tricks your body into growing younger looking skin. Here's how. Many popular treatments like dermaplaning or hydrofacial primarily focus on the epidermis, that outer layer of the skin. They're excellent for removing dead skin cells, improving surface texture, and even giving your skin that immediate glow. But wrinkles, acne scars, skin laxity, and most structural changes we see with aging don't begin at the surface. They begin deeper, right here in the dermis. In younger skin, the connection between these layers is strong and well organized. The collagen underneath is dense, providing the support that keeps skin smooth, firm, and resilient. As we age, the collagen production naturally slows. Existing collagen begins to break down, and this support structure starts to flatten. That's why we begin to notice fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores, acne scars, and skin laxity. So the question becomes, how do we rebuild that skin laxity? We first start by using microneedling, using an array of tiny, sterile needles to create thousands of precise microchannels that reach deep into the dermis, the layer where the collagen is produced. This 64-pin, gold-plated insulated tip delivers incredibly uniform treatment. The insulated needles protect the surface while allowing us to deliver energy exactly where we want it. But that's only half the story. When we add radio frequency energy through those insulated needles, we're no longer relying on the needles alone. We're delivering controlled heat directly into the dermis, dramatically increasing collagen remodeling while minimizing unnecessary surface injury. Instead of creating microchannels alone, insulated needles deliver radio frequency energy directly into the dermis. This allows us to place controlled heat precisely where the collagen remodeling occurs. But what if we want to improve the skin's surface while also rebuilding the collagen underneath? Fractional CO₂ laser works differently. Instead of using needles, it uses focused laser energy to create thousands of microscopic treatment columns into the skin. Each laser pulse vaporizes a tiny column of damaged tissue while creating a surrounding zone of controlled heat. That controlled heat stimulates new collagen, while those microscopic treatment zones allow healthy surrounding tissue to rapidly repair the skin. Because only a fraction of the skin is treated at a time, healing is faster than treating the entire surface, while still producing dramatic improvements in texture, wrinkles, acne scars, pigmentation, and overall skin quality. Immediately after treatment, your body goes to work. Over the next several weeks, damaged collagen is replaced with stronger, healthier skin. The skin becomes smoother, firmer, and more resilient from the inside out. This remodeling process continues long after the treatment is over, which is why many patients continue to see improvement from 3 to 6 months. The laser doesn't create healthier looking skin, your body does. Fractional CO₂ just simply gives it the signal to begin rebuilding.